It's not a dumb drink. It's an awesome drink. No, it doesn't have bacon in it. All right, let's make 3 dots and a dash. A wonderful tiki drink. We're bringing back our El Dorado 12 Demerara Rum. We're also using Havana Club 7 aged dark rum. And we're going to use 2 of our homemade liqueurs, Falernum and Allspice. So, a little history. 3 dots and a dash. It gets its name after the Morse code for victory. And it was created by none other than Don the Beachcomber himself, the father of Tiki. So we're starting with 1.5 ounces of our Demerara rum. After that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of our dark rum. So you can use pretty much any rums you have. Don't feel like you need to use the exact rums you called for in a recipe, especially a tiki recipe. Yes, it will change the flavor profile, but use what you got. Don't go out and buy a bottle just so you can make a specific drink. All right, after that, we're going to do 1/4 ounce of Falernum Liqueur. This is homemade Falernum. Click that link and I'll show you how to make it. Just made this one recently. And then we're going to do 1/4 ounce of Allspice Liqueur, another homemade liqueur. Click on that link and you can go see how I make my Allspice Liqueur. Obviously, if you have the store-bought stuff, use that, but I can't get it, so I have to make my own. And these homemade liqueurs are fantastic. So I really recommend them. All right, let's do some citrus. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And we're also going to do 1/2 ounce of orange juice. After that, we're going to sweeten things up with 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. Honey syrup is basically 3 parts honey, 1 part water. And it's basically just to make the honey easier to work with. Pure honey is way too thick. And lastly, 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. And there it is. We're going to add some ice to our glass. Do a flippy move and give this a good shake for about 20 seconds. Don't forget to find me on Instagram, RobIMX. Alright, we're serving this in a tall tiki mug, or tiki glass. Any tall glass would work. You can use a Collins or one of those fancy tiki ceramic mugs. Just do a straight dump, and then we're going to top off with some pebble ice. A little more. Alright, we're going to grab a straw. One of my spoon straws. Just lower it in, give it a quick mix. Kind of incorporate that pebble ice on top. Alright. For garnish, we're going to do a mint bouquet. Give it a nice slap to release the aromatics. And then we're going to put 1 nice maraschino cherry on top. And there it is. There is your 3 dots and a dash. A wonderful, complex tiki drink. The rums, the dark molasses, those dark flavors from the rum. The spices from the liqueurs. Falernum has a nice clove to it. Allspice, of course. It's citrusy. It's just a really good drink. Really good tiki drink. Make it. You'll love it. What's not to love? Who doesn't like a tiki drink? All right, guys, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Cheers.